Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video today. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you will be alerted when I post the video. It ain't been too often, but guess what, it's gonna start back being often. But yeah, I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and sometimes when I snatch this waist. But don't look at this waist because your girl been eating, okay? But we ain't gonna talk about that right now. That'll be another video for later. So as you can tell from the title, I have a luxury unboxing, which I don't really do too often because I don't know, I just don't feel like I really want to spend that much money on designer, like honestly. And at these days, who does? Okay, but I said this was my last purchase, like as far as in like designer handbags and stuff like this is gonna be my last purchase for a while. This is the box that it actually came in, and this isn't actually like a purse. I'm just gonna let y'all see, okay? Because yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all see. So let me open the box up, and when you get the box, this is what the box looks like when it comes in the mail. And I did want to purchase this from the store, but where I live at, there isn't a Louis Vuitton store, which, you know, that sucks, but that might be a good thing for me because I'll probably be going in there all the time buying stuff that I shouldn't be buying. So yeah, the closest one is in I think New Orleans or Dallas, I don't know, I'm not for sure. When you open up the box, this is what it looks like on the inside. It just comes in this big box, and the reason why my box is shaped like this is because of the bag that I did decide to get. And y'all know me, I ain't even gonna go there, but y'all know me, okay? Y'all already know how I roll. If you've seen my channel, you watch my videos, you know how I roll. You know that ain't how the box came, okay? It came all tied up and all nice with this little card. And in the card, it I don't even know what the card said because I was so excited to open up the box. It's got a little envelope, and it might not even be nothing in here. I don't want to rip it, y'all. Ain't nothing in here. Just empty envelope, basically. Just, I guess, if you want to give it like as a gift or something like that to somebody, but I don't need that, okay? Because this wasn't no gift, okay? I bought this with my own coins, okay? Let's go ahead and put this down. And let me open the box. It comes with a little flap like this, and you open it up, and this is the inside of the box. It comes in a little dust bag, and we're gonna go ahead and take the dust bag out. This is just the envelope that basically has like my receipt and everything in here. And on my receipt, it just comes with a card, and it's just like a thank you card, and it comes with like the exchanges and returns policy. And then with extra shipping if you do decide to return it, which I can't return this because it's been too long. So if I did change my mind, yeah, ain't no returning this bad boy, okay? But yeah, we're gonna throw this down here too because I know y'all want to see what's in the bag, and I'm not gonna talk y'all to death no more. Okay, so open up the little flap, and this is the bag, y'all. Oh my god, isn't it so stinking cute? And it just looks so good on camera. This is the back. And I did get this. This is called the Etui Voyage MM, which is in the MM size. So basically, like, this is a medium size pouch. My laptop can fit in this bag, but I did not get that as a laptop bag. I got this as like a clutch that I can kind of wear like this. I'm gonna insert a picture because I did see somebody and she like literally made me get this bag because I was just like, it's big, which I really like big, you know, bags, but it's not small, and I can get a lot in here. Now mind you, I probably couldn't put like really big chunky items in here because it would make it look really weird. This is the pochetta or whatever they call it, girl, I don't even know, okay? But this is what it looks like down here at the bottom, if you can see. It doesn't have like that real red glazing, and I was told that like when items like that have the really red glazing like that, it's probably fake. So as you can see, this is really dark, okay? It's not that red, but this is the monogram print, and y'all, it feels so soft. Like, it feels so soft, and then it just smells like leather. On the zipper right here, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does have the LV logo right there as well. And then when you unzip it, it goes all the way down to the other side. And when you open it up, it's just like this dark brown inside. And then on the inside, it just has Louis Vuitton made in Paris. Or no, Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. And then it also has another little pocket right here as well. And that's just like the little cards that comes in it as well. But I have not carried this, and I'm just going to show you guys what it does look like with your laptop in here. But this was definitely not the purpose for this, okay? I'm going to tell you guys the details of this bag. This bag was $705. If you didn't hear me, you heard me correct. Okay, let me say it again. If you didn't hear me, it was $705 for this bag. So I'm gonna get a whole lot of use out of this because this was a lot. I did pay for overnight shipping, which was 20 bucks extra. Tax was $32.26. So that came to a total of $757.26. Yes, okay. I did purchase this bag back in August. So yeah, it's been a while and I still haven't carried it, which I'm kind of thinking like, why did you get it and you still haven't carried it? But yeah, basically this is called the Etui Voyage MM. Right now it is showing that it is unavailable at the moment. This is like basically the medium size. It's basically called a travel sleeve, and it fits a 13-inch laptop, which I do have a MacBook, so it fits perfectly. But I just love the gold hardware on it. I think it stands out. And then it is the same on both sides. The monogram is the same on both sides. It's not like flipped upside down, but it is really cute. It does come in a MM size, a PM size, and a GM size. So I'm thinking the GM size is a little bit bigger than this, and this is like the middle size, and then the PM size, which is kind of like maybe this size, but I didn't want that because I wanted something that was a little bit bigger. But I am going to show you guys what it looks like with the laptop on the inside. So okay, so as you can see, this is my MacBook. It is a little dirty, so don't judge me, okay? I'm just gonna open it up and put it on the inside, which I really do like this bag because I feel like it's versatile and I can carry it in different ways. So say for instance, one day I don't want to carry this bag and I want to use it as a laptop holder, I can do that. And if I could get it in her, y'all, let me see if I'm sticking it in the pocket. Act like it don't want to go in here. Technical difficulties. Maybe I should have stuck it in the other way, but oh well, it's in there now. So I'm gonna zip it up and it fits perfectly. As you can see, my laptop is in here, but I don't really carry my laptop that much. I don't take it anywhere with me, so yeah, I probably won't be using it that much for that. But when I normally go out or if I dress up, I normally just have like my cash, my debit cards, like some lip gloss, just small things like that, because as you can see, it's not a very thick bag. So if you put a lot in here, it's gonna make the bag like pop out like this, and I don't really like that look. Like I want it to be flat and kind of chic, you know. Yeah, period. Okay, so yeah, I really love this bag. I can't wait to wear it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Would y'all carry this as a clutch, or would you necessarily just leave this as a laptop bag? But I don't know, I think I got my money's worth. I'm not for sure. I feel like I have, but I guess once I start carrying it and see how long it lasts, then I'll know for sure. But as of right now, I think I did okay. I think I did okay, y'all. But yeah, as always, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications, so when I do drop a video, y'all ain't gonna be like, oh, she dropped the video. It's gonna let you know, okay? So as always, don't forget to what? Come back. It's your girl. Bye, y'all.